Good morning, everybody. I wanted to do a quick before and after video of Lizard Skin on my car. I'm doing their sound deadener and ceramic insulation on my car. I have shot epoxy primer on everything, and I just wanted to show everybody what it sounds like before the Lizard Skin. We'll see what happens. I got a little body hammer here, and let's pay attention to the sound. Okay. Let's go over here to the roof as well. The roof is just like a giant gong, if you will. Just barely tapping it. It continues and carries out that, after I slightly hit it there. I'll be curious to see what kind of a difference I get after I apply my Lizard Skinned sound insulation control. This stuff right here, you get it all over the internet. It's everywhere. Just to shoot it on, I'm going to do 2 coats and we'll see what happens. I'll share with you really briefly what it's like shooting this stuff. It really doesn't atomize like paint at all. In fact, I feel more like I'm shooting, like truck bed liner material than sound deadener. Have a look. Alright, moment of truth after 3 coats of Lizard Skin sound dampening material. Let's see what we got. So I feel like the sound dissipates much quicker, but just so that I can kind of get a feel for it and you can as well, I'm going to take the 2 different, before and after sound takes there and just kind of roll them back to back, and let's see what we got. Alright, same thing with the roof right here. Let's see what we got. Again, I feel like that is drastically better. It just doesn't have any gong effect to it. No wah 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 at all. It's just an instant thud and then it's over. I'm going to do the same thing again and loop them back to back. Let's see what we got. Alright, there we go. That is Lizard Skin. The folks, whoops, there we go right there, lizardskin.com. Unfortunately, I'm going to apply the ceramic heat insulation barrier stuff tomorrow night, and I really won't know if that stuff works well or not until years from now when the car is rolling down the road in August when it's 98 degrees with the air conditioner running. But I have it on good authority that it works well. I am quite pleased with the whole little hammer, dent test there to see how it works with the sound barrier. Seems pretty good, so I'm excited about that. You guys have a great one. Subscribe, thumbs up, all that crap if you want to. Y'all have a great weekend. Merry Christmas.